Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to live stream on both Facebook and YouTube using OBS. How to live stream on both Facebook and YouTube using OBS. So first of all, make sure that OBS is being installed in your system. Make sure that you have OBS in your system, and you will head over to your Google Chrome. Over to your Google Chrome and ensure to type this aitune.tv.download. So it's a multi-stream that is being used in OBS. When you click that for your first time, when you open on it, this is what you are going to see. So you come here and click download multi-stream for free. Just download multi-stream for free. Immediately you click on it, it's going to download automatically. I have already downloaded it, so that is why I am not clicking on it. So once you download it, you follow the procedure to install to run in your system. You install in your system. After it's been installed in your system, I will not follow the procedure because it is already installed in my system. So you go back to your OBS Studio and you go to Docs. When you open Docs, you are going to see it here, aitune multi-stream. So you click on it. When you click on it, a small box is going to open. So you are the one to resize it. You choose where you want to resize it. For now, I will resize it here. So now I come now to my stream setting over here. I go to my settings, open my settings, click on my settings, I go to stream. So now I'm going to choose which stream I'm choosing here. So for now I'm going to choose Facebook Live. I'm going to choose Facebook Live, and when you choose Facebook Live, you go to your Facebook page, open your Facebook page, log into your account on Facebook. So I'm right on my Facebook page, which is the car tech. So if I want to go live, I have to click on the live option, and I will click on the live option, and I go to the live option, wait for it to load. I click on the live option and wait for it to load. Then I will go now to copy my stream key. First of all, I have to fill this information. So you have to copy your stream key from the live. So this is the stream key. So when you go to your Facebook page, the Facebook page which you want to transmit to, there's a stream key that's been provided there when you click on the go live option. So when I click, I copy the key, I come back to the OBS and I paste it here. When I paste it, I click apply and okay. I have set for Facebook. Now I have to set for YouTube. So I will click on the setting option here in the multi-stream. Click on the setting option, then I go to main canvas. On the main canvas, now I click on add output. When I click on add output, now I have to decide which one I want to transmit on the live stream on. I have YouTube, I have TikTok, I have Twitter, I have the other things which, so I choose my YouTube. So I go to my YouTube channel. So you go to YouTube channel, you copy the stream key from the YouTube channel in which you want to go live. You copy the stream key from there. So I go to my YouTube channel, I copy the stream key, which is easier. Copy the stream key on my YouTube channel, and I go back to OBS and I paste the stream key here. So immediately I click on create output. I click on the create output, and I click on OK. So now immediately if I start the streaming option here, start streaming. If I start streaming option here, is showing this because I have not complete the process on Facebook. Immediately I start the streaming option here, it will start streaming on Facebook. So I just need to come and click this one, and let me complete the setup on Facebook. Let me complete the setup on Facebook. I have to fill these informations. I can just type anything there. Yes, description. I try to just type anything because I want to show you how to do it. So I just decide to type anything there. So I go back to my streaming software. If I click on start streaming, it looks like you haven't added any video source yet, so you will only be outputting a blank screen. Are you sure? Yes. So since I've not added any video source, so I've started my streaming on Facebook. My Facebook streaming is going, so I go to Facebook to check. This is it. Since I've not output any source there, so there is a blank screen. Since I've not outputted any source, there is a blank screen here. So now I go back to my OBS. Immediately I click on the YouTube output. If I click on this YouTube output, immediately YouTube will also start going live. So that is how to live stream both on Facebook and YouTube using OBS Studio.